Hey, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your Google Play Store country to UK. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile. And click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, select Payments and Subscriptions. And then click on Payment Methods. Scroll down and tap on More Payment Settings. This will open in your browser. You might need to sign in, but if you're already signed in, you're good to go. Now, tap the three lines in the top left corner. And then head over to Settings. And then look for the country or region option. And click on the Edit pencil icon. To change your country, you'll need to create a new payment profile. Tap Create New Profile. And then click on the Continue. And then click on the little arrow to open the drop-down menu. And then from the drop-down menu, find United Kingdom or UK. Once you find it, click on it to select it. Once you select it, click on the Continue. And then enter your details, including your new address. And that's it. Your Google Play Store country is now set to UK. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.